Welcome to Take a Leopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix external microphone not working on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So at first, what you have to do is just go to the bottom right and click on this sound icon. Just right click on it and go to Open Sound Settings. Then from here, just scroll down a bit and you'll find Input. And from here, make sure the correct microphone is selected. And if that's the case, make sure you have set it to a good volume. And even after that, if your microphone is not working, you could go to Advanced, and here you'll find Troubleshooter. Just click on Input Devices. Then it will run the microphone troubleshooter for you. Just go through it. It's going to diagnose your problem and fix it for you. Then just close this. And after that is done, just go to your search and search for Settings. Then from the best matches, just open up Settings. Then from the left-hand side, just go to Privacy and Security. From here, scroll down a bit. Under App Permission, just go to Microphone. And here, make sure the microphone access is turned on, as well as the softwares that you are trying to use the microphone in as turned on microphone access. For example, in Microsoft Teams, it's turned on. But in tools like Feedback Hub, Copilot, it's turned off. So make sure it's turned on for all the apps that you need. Then just close this. And the last step that you can do is just click on your Start, right click on it, and go to Device Manager. Then just expand this section. Then from here, just go to Audio Inputs and Outputs, just expand this. Then just select your microphone, right click on it, and click on Update Driver. Then click on Search automatically for drivers, and it's gonna update you to the latest version. Then just close everything and restart your laptop. And hopefully that should fix your problem. And basically, that is how to fix external microphone not working on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computers. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.